Hold on to your nan's corpse, it's review time.
Hi. Today I'm going to try these Fridge Raider plant-based Veggie Bites Mexican Heatwave 100% seasoned vegetable source of fibers. Let's have a little look at these. Says on the back here, we made it our mission to keep you going with snacks of substance. That's why our Veggie Bites are made of 100% seasoned vegetables to deliver a satisfaction that lasts. Plant-based goodness straight from the fridge, because life is too full for empty snacks. Right. Hopefully there's no peas in this, because peas make me puke. Just a quick scan of the ingredients here: butternut squash, chickpea, red pepper. I mean, looking at the pictures, I'm expecting something kind of falafel-y. Let's have a little look. Smells like falafel. Yeah, getting ready. Let's see if I can get even deeper, yeah. Falafel. Let's have a look at these. Ooh. Falafel. Have a little look. Have a little look at that. Yeah, that's good. You can see me. Let's see if we can focus on. No. Oh well, fuck it. Let's have a taste. Tastes like really wet falafel. Don't know yet. I don't know. Does taste like falafel. Really cuminy. Quite moist. And Karl, I think what they try to replicate is the moist softness of their chicken cousins, the original Fridge Raiders, but I don't know. They're okay. I mean, it does look like a shit. It's like a kind of a shit when you've eaten loads of veg, like vegetable shit. I don't know. I don't know. They're not spicy. It says Mexican Heatwave. Liars. Fucking liars. It's not a fucking Heatwave. No. And just say cold Mexican poops. My review. 5 out of 10 or something. Hey, little follow up here on these. They actually taste better once you've finished eating them, as in once they've left your mouth and gone into your stomach. Kind of left with a quite a nice flavoured mouth. Not good for kissing. So if you're going to be smooching on somebody's face, don't be eating these beforehand. But good if you just want to sit maybe for 10 minutes by yourself and not have a drink and just roll your tongue around and pulling out bits of sweet corn and other bits of shit from your mouth. And just sort of reliving some fond memories of when you were eating some other sort of falafel-y type product. Not necessarily these, doesn't have to be these, but if you did enjoy them, you know, you can reminisce and think back. So my review goes up to a 6 out of 10.